Seventh session of a 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly commenced on a political significant note today, a day after revocation of President's rule under Article 356 on its 356th day, restoring functioning of the House as the Governor delivered an inaugural address of over an hour focusing on peace, rehabilitation and governance in the conflict-hit state. Governor Imphal asserted that strengthening and improving law and order will be the first focus of the new government. Welcoming the members present on the first day of the assembly session, the governor thanked the people of Manipur for their priceless courage, patience and efforts to restore normalcy in the state. He stated that search operations conducted at various locations have enabled a gradual return of normalcy, aiding that 272 companies of Central Armed Forces, including State Force and Indian Army units, are performing their duties at vulnerable areas alongside protection at highways. The governor emphasized that a total of 7,313 arms, 83,512 rounds of ammunition and 5,195 explosives have been recovered till date, while 1,078 arms were surrendered to the government during early 2025. He also stated that around 549 bunkers in both hills and valley regions have been dismantled. Mentioning about displaced persons, Governor Imphal said welfare activities are taking off continuously with the assistance of central government with the ongoing resettlement process. He said these activities are being strictly monitored by Chief Secretary as the chairman of state-level committee with the aim to financial assistance and relocate around 40,000 displaced persons by March. He also highlighted that steps are taken to restore disrupted healthcare and education services, intensified action against drug trafficking and illegal poppy cultivation, and ensure transparent, people-centric governance. The House was adjourned at 5:11 p.m. following the address, as political attention now shifts to the possibility of a confidence motion with floor test of the new government led by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand expected to be held shortly.
The state has continued to strengthen its infrastructure across regions. Landmark projects such as Civil Secretariat at Manipuri and Manipur Bhavan at Kolkata were inaugurated, while essential district-level infrastructure has been completed, including at Kamjong and Kakching, enhancing the administrative capacity. Connectivity infrastructure are being taken up in both hill and valley areas. Arterial roads in hill district headquarters are being upgraded under SASKI at a total cost of about Rs 174 crore. Further critical works totaling about Rs 118 crore such as Kengseng Ashang Khulen Bridge, the Kamjong Bungpa Khunau Road and the Kelphundai Tausam State Highway are being implemented to improving access to remote and border areas. Urban mobility is also being strengthened through the Manipur Urban Roads, Drainage and Asset Management Project in the Greater Imphal area. My government is committed to inclusive development with enhanced connectivity serving as a vital catalyst for equitable growth across all regions. The ISBT at Khuman Lampak was recommissioned with all Manipur state transport and interstate buses operating exclusively from this ISBT, resulting in improved traffic management and a more orderly public transport system. To ensure equitable access to transport services, 4 new district transport offices at Jiribam, Perzol, Nune and Kamjong were established, covering all districts of the state. To improve connectivity in remote and underserved areas, helicopter services are being expanded and are currently operational between Imphal and Tamenglong, Ukrul Churachandpur, Senapati More, Jiribam and Mizoram.